Good morning, everyone. My name is Laurel, and if you're new here, then be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it if you guys could help me get to 5,000 subscribers, because that is my goal. As you can see, I just woke up literally like 15 minutes ago, and I just washed my face. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a prep and pack with me for my trip to Aruba. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my morning skincare routine because my face feels so dry. I'm using the Ordinary caffeine solution. I use this every morning just to kind of like wake up my under eyes. Usually when I work, I wake up at like 5 a.m. because my shift is at 6, so I will usually need some good depuffing. Then I'm gonna put some vitamin C. This is from Power 10 formula. This is their vitamin C serum, and I like to keep this in the fridge. It just really feels nice on the face when I'm waking up. All my dark spots have been fading like extremely fast, and I have a feeling it's because it's just like the mixture of all the products I use. And from the same brand, I'm using their GF Effector. This is just like a really moisturizing serum that has hyaluronic acid, and it feels really smooth on the skin. And then to finish it off, I'm using No Beauty's Calming Day Moisturizer. I usually use the No Beauty Energizing Day Moisturizer, but since it has like SPF 30, it creates such a white cast, and I'm planning to wear a little bit of makeup today, so I will just opt out and use their calming moisturizer. This one doesn't have SPF, unfortunately, but it's just as good as a moisturizer. And then I'm just gonna put some chapstick. This is SPF chapstick from Banana Boat, and then I'll tell you guys what I'm doing for today. So today I am gonna go to church. That's why I'm getting ready so early. It's like 9 a.m. and I have church in an hour, and then after that I have my appointment to get my COVID-19 like PCR test at CVS. And after my PCR test, I might as well just stop inside the store because it is a CVS, and I'm gonna grab some sunscreen, some tanning oil, and some aloe vera gel. And then after that, when I get home, I'm gonna finish up packing. I already have all my clothes like packed and stuff. It's on the side of my room, but if you've watched my previous video, which is what I'm wearing to my trip to Aruba, all of the clothes that I basically tried on are all my outfits for what I'm wearing. So I already have that kind of just chilling in my room. We are gonna be checking in a luggage, so I'm gonna be sharing a luggage with my mom. I'm just waiting for my brother to bring that luggage down, and I'll put all my stuff inside. But I'll finish packing up like everything else that I need for my personal bag. Like I'm bringing a backpack with just like my makeup and stuff like that, and I'll show you guys what I put. And then I'm gonna do my nails. I have these two options. I always do press-on nails just because they're cute and they're easy and they're cheap, but I have these two options. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do. But yeah, the results for the PCR test should come in from like 1 to 2 days. We leave on Tuesday morning, so hopefully we get our results in time. Like that's what I'm like mostly stressed about. I'm gonna just finish off my hair, maybe straighten it just a little bit because these look crazy, and then I will see you when I'm taking my PCR test. I'll try to film it if I don't get caught. We're here at CVS, and we're gonna get a PCR test.
Have you done the test before, or is this the first time?
Yes, I did it. She did it before.
Yeah.
The only difference between the video, you don't have to do it for 15 seconds. For this lab, it's only around 5 or 6 twists in your thumb.
And both nostrils, right? Okay. Thing here?
Everything you can leave in the bag.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just go like that.
Okay. Right?
Yep. And then if you just pull that out around an inch, you'll be able to snap it right now.
And screw the top. Okay. Like, wow.
Yep, just put it right back in the bag. Alright, once you close it, you guys are all set. You're just going to drop it right into the white box on the wall. And everything else will come in the email as soon as the lab's done with it.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
We're heading out to CVS right now so I could get my stuff. And then I'm gonna get some sunscreen and all that stuff that I was telling you guys about. But yeah, we're done with the PCR test. We should wait 1 to 2 days. Hopefully it comes in on time. And I go get some pizza and ice cream. Soda too. Say hi. Okay guys, so I am gonna start packing now. I have all of my clothes featured in my previous video inside this bag. I just have all my outfits already in here waiting for it to be put into the checked in luggage. But now I'm gonna start packing up what I have inside my backpack. So I just got this backpack. It's from Amazon and it's really cool. It has a lot of compartments and it's black and it's also super spacious inside, so I can fit so many things in here. There's also so many zippers, so there's one here for your laptop and just a lot of pockets and different compartments inside. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys all the swimsuits I'll be bringing. I do have like 3 new swimsuits from Laurel coming into the mail tomorrow, so I might leave some space to put those new ones inside. So far I have this one. It's like a blue one piece. I thrifted this one. It's really cute and the color is just stunning. So I'm gonna put all my swimsuits inside this clear compartment. I also have this really colorful one from Shein. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be bringing this one. It's really bright and it's actually super pretty, but I'm not really sure. This one's kind of like a question mark for me. Also because it is a size medium and I don't know how it fits just yet. I haven't tried this on. I also have a beach cover up. It's just a white little mesh long sleeve one. I also have just like a simple white button down top that is also going to be a beach cover up. This is really simple and just basic. I have this 2-piece swimsuit from Cupshe that I really like, and it is like a tropical print, so I thought it was very fitting for the trip. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. And then the bottoms are high-waisted with like a tie. I also just have a basic white 2-piece like triangle bikini set. I got this one from Amazon and I just like white bikinis. I feel like these are really just basic and simple. And I'm probably going to be bringing this sarong thing. It's like a sarong skirt for that white piece bathing suit, just as like a little cover up. But so far I think that's it. I was going to bring these 3, but I figured I might just like not, because I have 3 new swimsuits coming in the mail tomorrow. Then I have this mesh bag. This just has my underwear, my socks, and a couple bras. I'm bringing this little crochet bag. This is like a phone holder. I also have this like side black bag in case, again, we're going out in town and I need to bring my important stuff like my cards, phone. This one's pretty spacious and I actually got this from the thrift store. I have 2 tote bags from Laurel. These are super cute and very summery. I have this green one, which is actually the same print as the swimsuit that's coming in tomorrow, so I'm definitely bringing this. And then I'm bringing this yellow one and it has like the sun and the waves around it. So cute. I'm gonna show you guys what I have packed right now, because I basically packed everything and organized everything, and then I'll stuff whatever I can inside my backpack. But this one's just my accessory bag. I have 3 pairs of sunglasses, my eyeglasses, and my hairbrush. I have the same jewelry holder from my previous pack with me video. This just has all of my summery colorful rings and bracelets and earrings that I'll be bringing to the trip. Sorry if the lighting is really bad. It's kind of a cloudy day today, but yeah, this is just a close-up of the backpack. Like I said, it has a lot of pockets and compartments and a little slip here for anything, and just a bunch of zippers inside. So this one is just like all my liquids. Like I have my face stuff, my sunscreen, I have some lotion, like face sprays, makeup. All of my miniature size makeup bottles are in here. I also have the same toiletry bag, the hanging toiletry bag that I showed previous videos. So I pretty much kept the same thing inside. Like I have my brushes, some lint rollers, my toothbrush, my lashes, tweezers, makeup remover wipes. I have this dry powdered makeup essentials in here, like my eyeshadow, face powder. I have like a body soap. So I'm gonna put this inside my backpack. The liquids is also going to go inside my backpack. This little baggie, I just have my Bluetooth headphones and then my charger as well. Okay, what else? This other toiletry bag is going to go into the checked-in luggage because this has my full-size like aloe vera gel. I have a whole full bottle of like sunscreen mattifying face spray. I have conditioner and shampoo that my mom and I are going to share. I also have this toiletry bag which just has like deodorant wipes. I have a first aid kit. I have makeup remover wipes, gum, emergency packets, tissue, Advil, just like random stuff that I might need like on hand. What else am I keeping inside my backpack? So this one is going in my backpack as well as my jewelry holder. gonna try to keep it all inside here. And then I'm also bringing these hats in the luggage as well. I just have some beach hats. I have this one. It's just like beige, and then it has the strings here. I have this red one specifically to match my red maxi tube dress. I have this one. They're all like floppy bucket hat style, like as you can see. I really wanted to cover my face when we're out in the sun. This one's just blue. And then I have a straw hat, similar style as well, just a different texture. And I'll be putting this also in my checked-in luggage. And in the front container, I'm gonna put my face mask. I am gonna put my portable metal straw. I also just have a lot of like wipes with me that I'm probably gonna stuff inside this front pocket. And that is pretty much it for my backpack, you guys. I'm also bringing 3 pairs of shoes as well. They're all sandals, and they're all the same sandals that I brought for my Florida vacation. So if you guys want to watch that video, I'll have that link down below. And I think that's pretty much it. This backpack is super heavy, but it fits everything that I need. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails. So I think I'm gonna go and do this option just because I thought it was really pretty, and the colors are just really tropical, very summery with this. So I'm going with this one, and as you can see, my nails need a lot of work. Okay, so these are the nails. Can we just take a moment? They are so beautiful. They're kind of like an orangey, hot pink ombre moment. I thought it was perfect for the tropical Aruba vibes. I usually love to wear press-on nails. I literally don't go to the nail salon anymore. I think press-on nails are so easy, so affordable, and there's so many different styles now. And I usually just, it takes me like 15 minutes to do them. They last me for 2 weeks. Besides the point, that is basically it for today's video. I'm gonna finish up packing and putting everything that I was showing you earlier into the bigger luggage when my brother comes home. And that's pretty much it with that. And I think the last thing that we need to do is just print out all of our documents, paperwork, make sure everything is just in order. Also need to fill out the ED card for Aruba, which is the embarkment and disembarkment card. But we have to wait until our results come in, so I can't fill that out now. And that's pretty much it for today. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to check out all the places and what I do in Aruba. I will be most likely posting it through there. I'm definitely more active on my Instagram whenever I'm not on YouTube. And I think that's it. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys when I get back. Bye.